For demonstration purposes, let's run through a typical inspection of a beverage can. First, the can should be inspected for any visual defects. Any visual defects are recorded using the drop-down menu in the inspection grid. Next, countersink is measured using the handheld countersink gauge. For accuracy, the seam is typically measured in 3 places. The keyboard's enter key or foot pedal is used to record each seam countersink measurement in the measurement grid. Seam thickness is measured next by placing the can over the thickness gauge anvil. As with the countersink measurement, thickness is measured in 3 places and entered into the measurement grid. We are now ready to inspect the double seam using the video module microscope. Before doing so, the can seam must be slotted using the Model 555 manual seam saw. It is recommended that 2 slots be made in each can that will be inspected. The slotted can is placed over the microscope's focal stop. Rotate and move the can until you are satisfied with the live image on the screen. If needed, seam cleaning bars can be used to remove any compound present on the seam. Once satisfied with the image, click the Auto Dimension button. The system automatically finds the seam edges and determines the measurements for the seam. Click Accept Next to enter the image into the database. Repeat this process for the remaining slots. Finally, the mini seam stripper should be used to strip the cover hook from the can. Once stripped, examine the cover hook and enter the tightness rating into the measurement grid using the drop-down menu. Use the comments field to enter any comments about the inspected can. Once you hit enter, you will be prompted to view the completed inspection report. Click Yes to view the report. For easy reference, any out-of-spec measurements will appear in amber or red on the report, and seam images can be viewed by right-clicking on the associated measurements. Images and inspection data are automatically stored in the CMate database for future reference. In addition, CMate software enables you to track measurements in a variety of graphical formats, including trend charts, helping you ensure double seam quality.